corazón. You would drink. You drink it. You know that's milk, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. You would drink it, corazón? No. Audrey, you would drink that? You would drink it? Let me see. You would drink it, my love. You would drink that? Corazones. Oh my goodness. Oh. What happened? Well, what happened is that I'm going to keep the lid on that. That's what happened. Yeah, it's like a baba to you? It's like a baba to you? My love? It's like a baba? No more? All done. All done. You're not gonna drink it anymore? What happened? Well, what happened is that the lid... Yes, You were trying to use it like a baba? Are you wanting some cow's milk now? You don't want any more Similac? That's what you want? No. No more Similac? No more Similac. You want cow's milk instead? Mama? You would drink it? You could open it?
What happened?
What happened? No, it's not a baba. It's milk. Because you see the cow there. Right? It's milk. Because you see the cow there. Now, at this time, you would be bathing yourself with milk if I didn't catch you.
The cow.
The cow, you see the moo. You see the moo.